Understanding, come to the crunch, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very interesting phrase, come to the crunch. This phrase is widely used in English-speaking countries, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you get a grip on it. Come to the crunch is an idiomatic expression that means reaching a critical point or moment when a decision, action, or effort is needed to overcome a difficult situation. It's similar to other expressions like the moment of truth or crunch time. The phrase often implies that there has been a buildup of events or tension leading to this pivotal moment where the outcome will be decided. While the exact origin of come to the crunch is somewhat murky, it is believed to have emerged in the mid-20th century. The term crunch itself suggests a situation of pressure or difficulty, drawing possibly from the sound of something being crushed under weight. This imagery helps convey the sense of a high-pressure situation where important decisions are made. Understanding how to use this phrase correctly is key to incorporating it into your English. Here are a few examples. When it came to the crunch, we decided to move to a new city for a fresh start. The team worked well under pressure, but when it came to the crunch, they pulled together and won the game. He's always been good at exams, but with his final thesis, it really came to the crunch. Notice that the phrase is often used retrospectively, looking back at a moment of significant decision or action. There are several phrases in English that convey a similar meaning to come to the crunch. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and help you express nuances in different situations. For example, the moment of truth, used when the truth about something is revealed or when a crucial decision needs to be made. Crunch time refers specifically to a period when a high level of performance is required, or a deadline is looming. D-Day, a term often used to denote a decisive or important day, taken from military jargon. Knowing when to use each phrase comes with practice and exposure to various English-speaking contexts. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, come to the crunch, and how it's used in the English language. It's a great example of how idiomatic expressions can add flavor and depth to your conversations. Remember, understanding and using such phrases can really polish your English and make your communication more effective. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting insights into the English language. See you in the next video.